you caught us. We were, well, all right. Did you see those cookies that were in the kitchen? We just kind of snuck one, and we were tasting them. They were pretty good too. Do you like chocolate chip cookies? I sure do. We are back, Mr. B and I, this library right here, Beatrix, to read you another story. Are you ready to read another story? All right, good. Get on your magic carpets, B. You ready to get on your magic carpet? All right, go. On your magic carpet, my friends. There goes B. All right, here's what I need. I need you to put your cookie dough eyeballs in. Now, how are we not going to eat those? Don't do it. Put your cookie jar ears on. Put your chocolate chip cookie mouth in. Uh-oh. I'm going to have to take a bite. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, no. Zip it up quickly before we eat our mouths up. Heavens. All right, seatbelts on. Click. Are you ready? I'm going to take you to a kitchen where they're baking chocolate chip cookies. Oh, there's nothing better than warm chocolate chip cookies. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Hold on, everybody! Whoa! Oh, oh. I'm okay. Are you okay? All good? Whew, we're all good. Oh, do you smell that? It smells so good. Let me show you where we are. I'm going to show you the kitchen. Oh, look, here's the kitchen. There it is. See? Just baked cookies on that tray. And there's a kitty cat in the kitchen. Well, what? Did you hear that? It was a doorbell. Because this book is called The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. Oh, wait. Can you guys help me count the cookies? I happen to have some cookies right here. Here they are. See them? Chocolate chip cookies. But first, I need you to help me count them. Oh, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a lot of cookies. Wait, they each get 6 each? Wow. All right, help me count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on that plate. And then we need 6 on this plate. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on that plate. Wow. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Oh, they look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's too, said Sam. But no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come on in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. Well, let's get 2 more plates. 1, 2. Now we need to divide them up. Better. I need help again. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 on that plate. 1, 2, 3 on this plate. 1, 2, 3 on this plate. 1, 2, 3 on this plate. All right, we still have 12 cookies, But now we have 3 on 1, 2, 3, 4 plates. That's still a lot of cookies. I will take 3 cookies. How about you guys? I think they will too. They smell as good as your grandma, said Tom. And they look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma. As the doorbell rang. I wonder who it is now. It was Peter and his little brother. Come on in, said Ma. We can share the cookies. Okay, that's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. Okay, we need 2 more plates. 1, 2. Okay, I need help here. Okay, can you guys see the plates? All right, 2 cookies on each plate. Ooh, hope I can do this. 1, 2 on that plate. 1, 2 on that plate. 1, 2 on this plate. 1, 2 on that plate. 1, 2 on this plate. 1, 2 on this plate. Whoo, they each have 2 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plates of 2 cookies. Still 12 cookies. That's a really nice way to share, isn't it? They look as good as your grandma, said Peter, and they smell as good. Can you guys see that? But nobody makes cookies as good as like Grandma, said Mom. As the doorbell rang. More people? Oh my gosh. It was Joy and Simon and their 4 cousins. Come on in, said Ma. We can share our cookies. Wow, that's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They each get 1 cookie. There's 12 of them. They each get just 1 cookie. So their plates are all gonna look like that, right? We're all gonna share our cookies, just 1 for you. Each person gets 1 cookie. That's very nice, isn't it? Wow. They smell as good as your grandma, said Joy, and they look as good, but no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma. Uh-oh. The doorbell rang again. And again. What do we do now? Oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at the cookies on their plate. See, they all have 1 cookie. What are they gonna do? They could break them in half. Ma said, perhaps you better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. That was really kind. He's willing to share his cookies. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. Look at that. Wow. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. And now everyone can have more than 1 cookie. And no one makes cookies like Grandma. And the doorbell rang again. I wonder how many people are going to be at the door now. Looks like they have plenty of cookies, though. I don't think it's going to be a problem. The end. I wonder if you've ever made chocolate chip cookies. I wonder if you like them. Me, I love them and I like them warm. I wonder if you would share your chocolate chip cookies. If you had friends over, would you share them? If you had 12 cookies, would you eat them all? If you had 6 friends over, you each would get 2 cookies. If you had 12 friends over, how many cookies would you each get? Right, 1. I hope you're going to eat cookies right after this story. I'll see you next time. Bye.